All right.
Where are you, Darren?
We are making homemade dog and cat treats. Well, don't choke eating it so fast. Okay, it's Buster approved.
Some people were.
I am Tara, the author of the Dining on a Dime Cookbook Volume 1 and our new Volume 2. We have over 1,200 recipes in Volume 1 and 800 recipes in Volume 2 to help you eat better, spend less. Both books have full color pictures right there. Easy to make recipes that your family will love. Please check them out at livingonadime.com. 2-ingredient one is really super simple. So you use wheat flour, but in our case, I'm using oatmeal because Buster has an allergy to wheat and corn. And if we give him wheat and corn, then he starts scratching and scratching and scratching.
And coughing and stuff.
And really annoys us. So I am making his with oatmeal so that he will not have that scratching problem. Okay.
The dog treat recipes.
Yes.
Okay.
So what you do is if you're using oatmeal, if you're using flour, you don't have to do this. But if you're using oatmeal, throw it in your blender. Gonna grind up my oats. Less than I need, I think. Okay. And then for this one, you use baby food. So you just take these cute little jars, whatever flavor baby food. So this one's chicken. So then you mix it together just like this. So this one you just keep smashing it together just like this until it makes a good hearty dough. I'm gonna take a little bit of extra oatmeal, stick it on here, okay.
Okay, so in a weird way, that looks good. Oh, Joanne says my dog has no teeth. He's 17, so I just cut up his food and treats.
Oh, okay. So then just get it rolled out. Now, of course, if I did this proper, I would have gone to somewhere and gotten a dog bone shape, but I didn't do this properly. So poor Buster is just gonna have to have little circle cookie cutters. So then you just go in and you cut them all up like so. Supposed to bake these, Mike?
Let's see. Looking at the recipe at livingonadime.com.
There he is. He's the one getting the treat today.
1/4 inch thick.
Okay, so I cut mine pretty small, so I'm gonna do them like 10 minutes to see because I cut them pretty small. Okay, so
Editor at livingonadime.com.
here's the chicken ones done. We will let them cool and then we'll see if Buster approves for his taste testing.
Leftover onion
Here.
soup.
Come here, Buster. Here. Look. Here you go. You got him? Okay, let's see. What do you think? Do you like it? Oh, good dog. Good dog. Oops. Well, don't choke eating it so fast. Okay, it's Buster approved.